how to delete block list on Messenger. So if you want to delete your block list on your Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, or go with the menu, and then you need to go with settings, which will be on the top. From your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of privacy and safety. Tap on it, and then go with blocked profiles. And here you will have all of your blocked profiles. So in order to delete this block list from your Messenger without unblocking them, then you just need simply go back, and you need to scroll down a bit, and you will find the account center option, or you will have a report technical problem option. Tap on report technical problem, and then tap on report anyway, which will be on the bottom, and tap on don't include. Once you do that, it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need simply go and enter, briefly explain what happened and what's not working, or what needs to do to reproduce the problem. So I need to just write that, hello, support team, kindly delete my block list for me without unblocking them. And then you need to tap on block and unblock and go with send, which will be on the top. And after sending, within a few hours or within a few days, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.